This sea creature is so massive that even 3 giant dinosaurs together wouldn't match it. Yes, you heard that right. The mighty Argentinosaurus, considered the largest land dinosaur, weighed around 70 tons. Even if you lined up 3 Argentinosaurus, their combined weight would be about 210 tons. And a single blue whale can weigh just as much. That's how enormous it is. An elephant could stand on its tongue. Its heart weighs as much as a horse. With just one heartbeat, nearly 500 liters of blood rush through its body. And its call is so powerful it can travel up to 800 kilometers through the ocean. Today, we're talking about the largest living creature on Earth, the blue whale. But this isn't just a story about size. Because millions of years ago, this giant was not a giant at all. It was a small, land-walking mammal. So how did it go from walking on land to ruling the oceans? Let's uncover the secrets of the blue whale. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's free for you, and it motivates us to bring more incredible stories like this. Now let's begin. Bigger than dinosaurs and even airplanes. When dinosaurs ruled the Earth, Argentinosaurus stretched 30 to 35 meters long and weighed as much as a fully loaded truck. But even 3 of them combined barely matched the weight of one blue whale. And it doesn't stop there. An aircraft like the Airbus A320 looks small next to it. A blue whale can grow up to 30 meters long and weigh between 150 to 200 tons. Its tongue alone weighs around 3 tons, equal to a full-grown elephant. Its heart is so large that a small child could fit inside its arteries. And surprisingly, its heart beats only 5 to 6 times per minute. But each beat pushes an enormous volume of blood through its gigantic body. Nature truly went all out when designing this creature. But is it the longest? You might think the blue whale is also the longest creature ever. Surprisingly, no. Deep in the ocean lives a strange ribbon-like animal called the bootlace worm, which can grow up to 55 meters long. But when it comes to weight, nothing beats the blue whale. And that's why scientists officially consider it the largest animal ever known. Not a fish, but a mammal. One important fact: the blue whale is not a fish. It's a mammal. That means it gives birth to live young and feeds them milk. When a baby blue whale is born, it already weighs between 2.5 to 3 tons and measures about 7 to 8 meters long. Every single day, the calf gains around 90 kilograms. It drinks nearly 400 liters of milk daily. Milk so thick and fatty that it resembles toothpaste, containing about 10 times more fat than cow's milk. Imagine growing that fast. The secret behind its giant size. For a long time, scientists believed blue whales became so large simply because water reduces body weight. But that's only part of the story. The real secret lies in how they eat. Blue whales feed on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. Yes, the largest animal on Earth survives on one of the smallest marine creatures. When feeding, the whale opens its enormous mouth and gulps in up to 200 tons of water at once. It then pushes the water out through special comb-like plates in its mouth called baleen, trapping thousands of krill inside. Every day, a blue whale can consume nearly 4 tons of krill. This method, known as filter feeding, allows it to gather massive amounts of food while using relatively little energy. That efficiency is one of the biggest reasons it could evolve into such a giant. A journey millions of years in the making. Whales began evolving around 30 million years ago. When the Ice Age began about 3 million years ago, oceans cooled and food sources shifted. To survive, whales had to travel longer distances between feeding and breeding grounds. A larger body helped them store more energy, travel farther, and defend themselves better from predators. Over millions of years, natural selection shaped the blue whale into the ocean giant we know today. But here's something surprising. About 100 years ago, blue whales were even larger than they are today, reaching lengths of up to 33 meters and weights of over 200 tons. The dark chapter. Then came large-scale whaling. By the early 20th century, industrial hunting had become devastating. In some years, hundreds of blue whales were killed for their meat, oil, and baleen. By 1930, more than 500 blue whales were hunted in a single year. They were pushed dangerously close to extinction. Finally, in 1986, the International Whaling Commission enforced a global ban on commercial whaling. Today, the global population is estimated at around 20,000 to 25,000 individuals, a fraction of their original numbers. Most are found in the Antarctic and North Pacific regions. More than just an animal, the blue whale is not just the largest creature on Earth. It's a symbol, a reminder of how powerful nature can be and how fragile it also is. Saving the blue whale means protecting the balance of our oceans. If you found this story fascinating, like the video and share it with others. Tell us in the comments, what fact about the blue whale surprised you the most? And don't forget to subscribe, because next time, we'll bring you another unbelievable story from our incredible planet.